Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I bought a new scarf design that's called the tartan design in crochet. It's very easy to make, and you can see you can use multiple colors or you can make it in two colors only. It's up to you. This tartan design is always in the checks. Let's start make it together. I take 100 chains, but it's up to you. If you don't want too much wider, you can take 70 or 80 chains. I took 100, and the pattern is 1 double crochet and 1 chain, 1 double crochet and 1 chain. In the first row you have to skip 1 chain in the foundation row and then make a double crochet in the second one. So you can see in here 1 double crochet, then 1 chain, and then another double crochet on the top of double crochet. So this will give you a small holes in your pattern in which you have to weave the yarn. Now I made 200 rows for this pattern, but it's again up to you. If you want shorter in length, you can reduce the number of rows. You can make 180 or 170. Now the length is complete. Now I have to weave the loose end from the both side and have to weave it inside the pattern, because every time when we start a new row we have to cut the yarn and start the new row with the new color. So now we have to weave all the loose end inside the row like this. Use the needle, it's easier, and then cut the extra yarn. And you can see when you cut all the yarn, it will give you a neater look. You can see now. Now it's time to weave the yarn inside these small holes you can see in the pattern. So you can see how I'm going to weave the yarn up and down. If you have a longer needle, it will be easier and work faster with the longer needle. So just weave like this, up and down in the stitches. You can see. Now I'm going to show you. I did some of the rows. You have to start from the both side, like do 10 or 15 rows from right hand side and then start from the other side and comes and end up in the middle. Then you will balance the design. Now the waves are complete, and now I have to leave some yarn in the end, about 8 inches yarn, and I make the magic knot to join it. And this is how I make the tassels in the end, by twisting the yarn and then secure it in the end. It's complete now. You can see the final look of this scarf. This scarf is very warm because you cannot see any hole that usually you see in the crochet design. That's the final look. I hope you like this pattern. It is a good idea if you draw the design or the draft on the paper, that how you are going to repeat the colors. Then it's easier to follow when you are making your design with the crochet. I hope you enjoy this pattern. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Bye.